Only I can talk. Are you doing time lapse again? Okay, this is boring.
I think it might be done. Because look, now the sky's getting blue again.
Yeah.
And it's stopping right now.
Hey, Torbs. Hey, Max. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Hey, buddy.
Like that is done.
Hey, guys. This is Toby. And as you can probably see, stay there, Toby. Stay. 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 He has this thing. It's really bad. And when I go on the video, well, be one hope that his surgery goes well. He could possibly pass.
Toby, stop it.
Guys. Got Jake the Pro with me. Got Maddie. Kimmy and Caitlin back there. Watching Angry Birds. And, oh shoot. Dog toy. The last video I uploaded, the fidget spinner giveaway canceled one. It's cut off at 5 minutes. So this one might cut off a little shorter. But here's Jake the Pro. If you want to talk to the viewers.
Hi everyone. We're just
Shout out to
watching.
him.
We're just watching Angry Birds right now.
Yeah. I can't record it though, because I'll get copyrighted. So I'm at a beach house and I'm staying here for another 5 days. We want some stuff at the carnival. Here's Caitlin's bed. Stupid narwhal, 2 dragons. And here's Kimmy's bed. Big dragon. I want this. I'm taking this. And then a blue llama. Here's the bathroom. No one's in here. This is, I think, Aunt Arlene's room. This is Aunt Cindy's room. Uncle John sleeps in here too. Uncle Jimmy sleeps in the room with Aunt R. You know, sleeps on the couch where Jake's sitting. This is the room. And, whoa. Glad she didn't see the dragon steal. And it's raining, sadly. So we can't do a tour of outside right now. But, yeah. So, my dogs are here, Max and Toby. Come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. Good boy. Good boy. And Jake the Pro 202 is going to do a video of the house tour. And I've seen a lot of YouTubers and they told me to be more expressive like this, so my voice isn't like really low and awkward and cringy. So,
Yeah, my voice is like so high on my other videos.
yeah,
Sounds
it's
like
really
baby.
high because he's younger than me.
Yeah.
And yeah, I'm just going to be expressing my voice more. And if it's too loud, I'm sorry. But yeah. So my voice is going to be more like this now. Just following Max, seeing where he's going. Hey Max, what are you doing? What are you doing, buddy?
Come here, Max.
Got new flip-flops.
Wait.
And Tobe is here. He's pretty old. 77 in dog years, 11 in human years. And surgery could possibly result in death. So, 1 like on the video equals 1 prayer that Toby will be fine. Tobe.
And
Stop
Toby-
chasing Max! He doesn't love you like that.
And guys, I think you might end the video here.
No, we'll just play until it cuts off. And face reveal. I think you might have seen my face already. Hi.
And here's my brother Edward.
So my sister's recording.